Hi, and welcome to the Merrill Manufacturing YouTube channel. Today, we'll be showing how to fix leaking out of the packing nut on Merrill's R-6000 series hydrants. The only tool needed for this fix is a 3/4 open-end wrench, and the water supply may be left on. As you can see here, water begins to pool around the packing nut, notifying you that it's time to adjust. To fix the leak, tighten the packing nut a half turn, dry the pooled water, and cycle the hydrant lever, checking for a continued leak. If leaking continues, repeat the process until the nut is tight or the leaking stops. In the occurrence that the leaking continues after the packing nut is tight, the installation of new packing is necessary. To install the new packing, a few additional tools are needed. You'll need two 9/16 open-end wrenches, a tape measure, and a cup for holding water. New packing is available for purchase using our contact information in the description below. Begin by shutting off the hydrant's water supply. Then remove the hydrant's retainer clip, pivot pin, top jam nut, and washer. Lift the rocker arm up and away from the head casting. Be sure to make a mark for the location of the remaining washer and jam nut. Then, remove the remaining metal sleeve, washer, and jam nut from the operating rod. Finally, remove the packing nut using the 3/4 wrench. Since the original packing remains in the packing gland, we recommend shaving off 1/8 of an inch of the new packing. Now place the 1/8 inch of packing into the packing gland and on top of the existing packing. It is now time to reassemble the hydrant. Tighten the packing nut onto the packing gland. Then, screw on the first jam nut to your mark and place one of the 3/8 washers on top, followed by the metal sleeve. Lift the rocker arm and set it into place. Put the pivot pin and retainer clip back into place, followed by the top washer and jam nut. With the hydrant assembled, turn the water supply back on and check for leaks. If there is a nozzle leak, shut off the water and lower the plunger by raising the jam nuts to a slightly higher position. If leaking still continues, call a Merrill representative for more information. With the leaking issue cured, make sure the hydrant is draining correctly. This is done by filling a container with water using the hydrant. Place the nozzle into the container and fill until the water level is above the nozzle. Now shut off the hydrant and watch the water level in the cup. If working correctly, the water level should decrease as suction from the draining water empties the container down the pipe and out the drain hole. For questions, products, or more information, we can be found at merrillmfg.com, called at 800-831-6962, or you can find us on Facebook at Merrill Manufacturing Co. Thanks for watching.